Alright, in this video, instead of attacking the ridge, we're defending it.
I hear enemy coming.
Retardation in the pit. Must be a distraction. Brad, keep your squad eyes on. We're all coming right. Might need you to move up, Rob. Just say the word, Matt, and I'll be there.
There's at least 7 of them on the right. Boys are taking fire on the left high side of the fire pit. Rob, you guys still alive up there?
Yeah, we're still Jeff and Chipman are a little pinned down, but I think we're alright so far.
Between the ponds.
Round on the left just misses me. Majority of this enemy force is pushing hard on the right side over there.
You're getting flanked! Over here. Hit!